We got your crown.
Oh no.
Sure.
Because we are so close to the bay and to the ocean here on the south shore of Long Island, we are hitting water not too far into our holes. We started hitting water when we're only about a foot deep.
Do we have water over here?
Yeah, probably.
Check out this absolute mess of a hole. Don't worry, we are going to show you how we handle this messy situation, but before we set the first line post, let's get the first panel ready. Now we need to make our post hole a little deeper. Despite water, we are going to try to get as close to 3 feet deep as we can.
So you see, as we're digging, we hit water really early on for this hole, and the bottom of the hole is just really loose, sloshy mud. So it's really hard to continue digging with the post hole digger. So we're going to get in as far as we can, and then you'll see we hit it down with a sledgehammer.
This is completely surrounded with water.
When we set this post, we are going to use dry concrete. That way the concrete will soak up the water inside the hole and will harden.
We sent the college kid to grab some dry concrete. I'm not sure what his plan is here. Let's see how this plays out.
That was great.
Yeah! That's going in the blooper reel.
Now we are going to use gravel and dry concrete to set this post. The gravel will provide stability and displace some of the water, and the concrete will soak up water and harden around the post.
Once it's in the hole, you want to just use your tamping bar to mix it as best you can. That'll simulate the effect of having mixed it in the wheelbarrow beforehand.
Now we are setting a string line on the top of the fence so that way all of our posts sit at the same height. Now we're going to hit down the line post that we just installed with a sledgehammer so that the top of it meets up with the string line.
Now we're putting the next line post in the hole. As you'll see, this one also had a ton of water, so we're a little bit too high there. So we're going to take a sledgehammer and we're going to hit this down. We're going to start by just putting some gravel into the post hole. That way we displace some of the water. As you'll see, that water level is rising once we put the gravel inside. And now we're going to add some dry concrete. If you found this video useful, please hit that thumbs up button. Use this button to subscribe to our channel. We release 2 new videos every week and you don't want to miss them. Here is some related content that I think you'll find useful, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.